In this video, we're going to be showing you how to fix it when your Instagram chat theme is not showing. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
Now to do that, okay, let's assume you're trying to chat with this person, but you want to change the theme and the theme isn't showing. It means you're using the outdated version of Instagram. Now, a quick step, come to Google Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is running on the latest version. So come to the search bar here. Now, as you come to the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, go ahead and hit on this update button. Once you hit on the update button, go ahead and update Instagram. Now, after updating Instagram, come back to Instagram itself. Now come to this profile section here. Just tap on this person's chat section. Then you see customize theme. Now here you have a couple of themes. You can choose any you want, then choose on apply. And boom, the theme will apply automatically, you can see. Alright, that's it for me guys. Subscribe.